watching K.O.S. Keep on shooting.
Alright guys, welcome back to K.O.S. I hope everybody's having a great day. I was at Walmart today and I saw a sale on these targets, the Shoot and See reactive targets by Birchwood. We've been shooting them here in the backyard and they've been pretty fun, so I just thought I'd show you guys. Today we're shooting the Wasp UniPhoxx and we're shooting some 9.5 mil steel, and they've been pretty fun. They really show a nice contrast when you shoot with this greenish color, so you can actually see your shot from a distance. So I really enjoy them. So we're going to be shooting today at 10 meters. We already have one there on the paper, so let's go back about 33 feet and let's see how we do. All right guys, we have our 10 shots and we have our Slingshot, the Wasp UniPhoxx. We're shooting Snipersling black Rioter latex 0.5 with the pit locating pouch. So let's see how we do with that target. We also have a camera down here. Hopefully we don't hit that. That'll be funny. Let's see how we do. I apologize if the camera's a little bit shaky. It's a very windy day. Hopefully that doesn't affect my accuracy. Let's see. As you can see, the wind is picking up really bad. It's really shaking the pants. But let's see if we can get a bullseye. A little low. Let's try that one more time. Close. Third shot. And there's the wind moving the band again. It makes it really difficult to aim down the band when it's shaking. But there we go. Getting closer to that bullseye. Let's see if we can get some red on this one. And we're standing about 10 meters here, 32 or 33 feet. So it seems like we're getting some really nice grouping on this area. But let's see if we can aim just a little lower and get some of the red. Whoa, camera almost fell on that one. Okay, let's try that one more time. There we go, on the money. Booyah. And I really like those targets because you can see the greenish color with the black. It forms a really nice contrast. Okay, let's take a few more shots. Nice, nice. And we have about 4 more shots to go. That was a little left, but that was my fault. I jerked a bit up on my release. Okay, let's try that one more time. And there we go. We got 2 more shots left. And we got 1 shot left. And there you have it. Let's go check out our grouping. And once again, that was with the Wasp UniPhoxx, shooting 0.5 Snipersling, Black Rioter latex. Good stuff with the pit locating pouch. So not too bad for a windy day. Let's go get closer and check that pattern out. All right, guys, so here's our grouping. Not too bad. We were able to get most of them in the 9 circle. Not too bad. Not my best shooting, but still, it's decent. Just one then got over here in the 7, but not too bad. Thank you for watching, guys, and as always, keep on shooting.